Welcome to Lala's World. Today's video is a tutorial on creating a whiteboard explainer video with Canva. This is now super easy. Before you had to go through a lot to get this done, and now you can get it done in Canva. First, open Canva. Look to the top right, click Create Design. Scroll down and click Video. Now, I'm going to make an example whiteboard presentation called 5 Simple Steps to Boost Productivity. And basically, I'm going to go through and add all of my details in the video, starting with elements and pictures. Go ahead and search and select for all your elements you want in your video. I'm going to go ahead and speed through this and show you what to do when you have all of your elements you want in your video. Once you're finished editing all of your slides, click Share. Then click Download. Open the Dropbox and choose PNG. Then click Download. Once you download, you'll need to extract the zip files. Once extracted, return back to Canva. Delete all the images you just made, look to the left menu and click Uploads. Then click Upload Files and upload all of the PNG slides you just downloaded. Once all the files are uploaded, look to the left menu and click Apps. Look for an app called Speed Painter. Scroll down, then click Open. Here is where you'll upload your downloaded PNG files. You simply upload and then click Generate. Once generated, click Add to Design and then adjust the design to the size of the page by dragging. Complete the steps for the rest of your slides. And once you're done and everything's in order, click Share, then click Download. And this time, choose MP4. I'm going to go ahead and play it through to show you what the finished images look like. And once your video downloads, go to the editor of your choice and then add your intro, your outro, and your voiceover, and then just put it all together. Well, thanks for watching this tutorial on creating a whiteboard explainer video with Canva. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.